Welcome to Technical Chat #1 YouTube channel. The tech world is buzzing with excitement, and today we're here to talk about one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S25. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at the Galaxy S25's design, display, cameras, battery, performance, and every specification that makes it stand out in 2025. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the full review of the Samsung Galaxy S25. Body and build. Let's start with the build and dimensions. The Samsung Galaxy S25 comes with a glass front and back, both protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an aluminum frame. It measures 146.9 by 70.5 by 7.2 millimeters and weighs just 162 grams. This lightweight and compact design makes it easy to handle. Additionally, it has an IP68 dust and water resistance rating, ensuring durability in tough conditions. The phone is available in stunning colors, including icy blue, mint, navy, silver shadow, pink gold, coral red, and blue black. Display. The Galaxy S25 boasts a 6.2-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with HDR10 Plus support. It offers an exceptional peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it perfect for outdoor usage. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the scrolling and animations are buttery smooth. Plus, it features an always-on display for quick access to notifications and time. The in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor adds a layer of security while being super fast and responsive. The Galaxy S25 is powered by a 4000 mAh Li-ion battery, which is sufficient to last an entire day with moderate use. It supports 25-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless charging using the new Qi 2 standard. Moving on to performance, the Galaxy S25 runs on Android 15 with Samsung's latest One UI 7. Samsung promises up to 7 major Android upgrades, ensuring this device stays up to date for years. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on the advanced 3nm process. Now let's talk about the cameras, a major highlight of the Galaxy S25. It features a triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel wide camera with dual pixel PDF and optical image stabilization, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for detailed close-up shots, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view, perfect for landscapes and group photos. The camera supports 8K video recording at 2430 FPS, 4K recording at 60 and 1080p slow motion at 240 fps. It even includes gyro EIS and HDR10 Plus for stunning stable footage with rich colors. For selfies, the front camera is a 12 megapixel sensor that supports HDR and 4K video recording at 60 fps, delivering crisp and vibrant images. When it comes to storage, the Galaxy S25 offers multiple options: 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB of internal storage, all paired with 12 GB of RAM. The storage uses UFS 4.0 technology, ensuring lightning-fast data transfer speeds. However, there is no micro SD card slot, so choose your storage wisely. The Galaxy S25 comes packed with connectivity features: NFC support, a USB Type-C 3.2 port with DisplayPort 1.2 and OTG support. Unfortunately, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, but that's expected in premium flagship devices these days. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is a powerhouse of features, combining stunning design, top-notch performance, and an impressive camera setup. So, what do you think of this phone? Let me know in the comments below. This was your host from Technical Chat #1, signing off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.